Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you manage the notifications in the AusPost application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Now you should wait a little bit until the app loads in. Once that is done and you are in the home page, you should look down below and select the third option there, which is account. After doing so, in this page you should select the third option, which is notification preferences. And once you're in this page, you can just set all these options here to your liking. You can see the manage email and SMS preferences, push notifications, delivery notifications, and the items I receive being packed by sender, on its way, coming today, and basically all the notifications here. You can just press on any of them. You can just activate or deactivate them like that, and you don't have to do anything else. Once you pressed basically on them and deactivated or activated, they will stay like that. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.